Do you look at your child's homework and think, that is not how I learned it? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Crystal, owner of Level Up Education. Every day, I'll be breaking down strategies they learn in school so that you know how to help at home. Have you ever seen your child drawing boxes, lines, and dots to solve an addition problem and thought, why can't they just stack it the way we did? That's the place value strategy, and it actually has a really important purpose. The place value drawing strategy helps kids see that the numbers are made up of tens and ones. Instead of jumping straight into carrying or regrouping, it gives them a clear visual of how addition really works. Let's check it out. So let's take the example of 46 plus 37. First, your child's going to draw 4 sticks to represent the 4 tens in 46. Then they'll draw 6 dots to represent the 6 ones. This gives them a visual representation of the number. The next thing they're going to do is draw the 3 tens to represent 37 and the 7 dots. So now the next step is to take and combine the ones to make a 10. This is where in traditional we would carry, but it gives them a visual representation of these 10 ones are now a stick. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 83. So when your child is drawing out tens and ones, it might look slow or messy, but the point is that they're building number sense. Once they understand the why, they'll move to faster methods with confidence. If you want extra practice problems for place value drawings, comment place value below and I'll send you a sheet you can use with your child. Or you can click the link below for a free skills assessment and you'll see exactly where they need the support. And if there's another strategy you'd like me to cover, send me a message. I'd love to feature it in an upcoming video.